وہ ایک اردو کا محاورہ ہے کہ بیوقوف دوست سے عقلمند دشمن بہتر ہوتا ہے. اب ہماری بدقسمتی یہ ہے کہ ہمارے جو ہمسایہ بھارت ہے وہ دشمنی میں بھی بیوقوفی اور جھوٹ کا سہارا لیتا ہے.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes but now I don't ever...
وہ کہہ رہی ہے ٹائم لائن آف اسٹرائک 21 منٹس 350 ٹیررسٹ ایلیمینیٹڈ، یعنی 21 منٹ وہ آزاد کشمیر پاکستان کی حدود میں داخل ہونے کا کلیم کر رہے ہیں اور کہہ رہے ہیں کہ 350 دہشت گردوں کو ہم نے مار دیا ہے. اللہ تعالیٰ کی ذات بڑی ہے، بڑی بات نہیں کرنی چاہیے. آئیں 21 منٹ رہ کے دکھائیں پاکستان کی ایئر اسپیس میں.
Sir, my question is, Indian are behaving like drunk monkeys, and they're jumping all over the media. And isn't it time that even if they have dropped 4 bombs at some faraway hill and hit some trees, isn't it high time, sir, that we shut these monkeys up by doing the same thing to them, by perhaps even dropping 4 bombs across the LOC in some hill over there? Because the people of Pakistan, you may have gone through the social media, Indians are raising hue and cry about that they have taken so-called revenge. Isn't it high time that we do the same?
Okay. Not my words, taking your words will shut these monkeys, but not the way they are trying to do repeatedly, not through lies. We will do it, and we will do it where we will let the people of Pakistan and the world know.
اس حرامی کو ہمیں مٹانا ہے. گولی نہیں ماریں گے سالے کو، کہہ کے لیں گے اس کی.
میں نے 3 چیزیں کہی تھی. You will never be able to surprise us. We have not been surprised. We were ready. We responded. We denied. میں نے کہا تھا کہ we will retain the escalation ladder. We have that initiative in our hand. I said that we will surprise you. Wait for that surprise. I said that our response will be different. See it for yourself. The response will come. And response will come differently. عوام تیار ہے. آپ نے پولیٹیکل پارٹیز کی آج response دیکھا ہے. سب ایک ہیں. Now it is time for India to wait for our response. The response will come at the point and time of our choosing, where our civil military leadership decides and as a matter of fact has decided. It is your turn now to wait and get ready for our surprise.
Pakistani airspace, and Pakistani planes shot down 2 Indian jets. As a result of that, he says 2 Indian pilots have been taken into custody.
Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision.